January 13th, 2021, percent. So again, what percent is not shaded? So we're going to take a look. What percent is not shaded? So we have 1, 2 that are not shaded. So we have 2 that are unshaded out of 3 and 4. There's 4 total. How can I get from 4 to 100? So if I have 2/4, how can I get to 100 here? I'm going to multiply by 24 or by 25. Remember, if I think of quarters, times 25. So 2 times 25 is 50. So our decimal is going to be 0 and 50 hundredths, or 0 and 5 tenths. It's the same thing. Then when we take a look, our percent is going to be 50%. So only half are shaded, and that's 50%. Just like if you get a 2 out of 4 on a quiz, that's only 50% you get. So now we're going to take a look at the next part, what percent is not shaded. So again, the not shaded portion. We have 1 that is not shaded. And how many are there total? 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 total. So our decimal, well, first of all, we have 1/5 is not shaded. How do we get that to 100? Oh yeah, we're going to multiply by 20. So we're going to multiply by 20. And then we have 1 times 20, which is 20. So then we have 0 and 20 hundredths, or you can have 0 and 2 tenths. That is fine as well. Then our percent is going to be 20%. And that's going to be it for our percents for today. Great job!